She's 12 now, and when I got her back then, I always had this image of her being red.
We were to be tasked to build a rad bike whose name is going to be sexy. That's intriguing enough for me to begin work on a new build.
Well, my dad was a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. He definitely was Top Gun. He was picked up from his squadron and sent to France to get the latest Mirage 2000s. He was called sexy.
When you come up with a storyline like that, the responsibility of a builder increases multifold. To get all the little attributes about this idea into one rolling art form was pure joy. This whole build was supposed to be extremely organic.
I love the look of bare metal, and that's what I wanted.
The Harley 883 comes with a framework which is a treat to work for any kind of custom build. And when the parts came together, the idea was to keep it simple, simplified. Come to think of it, motorcycles have a way of bringing people closer. They're always great icebreakers, but a custom motorcycle brings in inspiration to those conversations like nothing else.
Cheer to sexy, let's cheer to my father, and many more miles for all of us.